So a few months ago, I learned that you can buy a case on Dollar Tree of Hot Wheels, and there was some mixed reviews on it. So I thought I'd check it out myself. I actually bought one. This is what was delivered, a J case. Seems to be sealed. That was one of the complaints, is that the cases received are not always sealed. So let's take a look here on the website. So on the website here, you can see you can buy them in different quantities. I selected the 72 pack, and that got me that case. If we look at the reviews as we go down, there's a mixed reviews. Some people say they got unopened cases. Somebody got a super treasure hunt. In fact, they got a super treasure hunt and a treasure hunt. Others say it was terrible. They actually were shipped when they ordered 72. They were shipped 3 boxes of 24s, and they actually ended up getting the green and golds here. Some of them said that they ordered 3 cases and got the same 3 cases, which, I mean, it's sort of to be expected if you order them all in a similar time frame. I might try and order another one and see what I get. And then, yeah, some of them show being retaped. I don't know how true that is. And they claim they only got 70 cars, so maybe it was. But yeah, just in general, mixed bag of reviews. So I wanted to see for myself, did I get a complete sealed case? So what I plan on doing is using here on Orange Track Diecast, using their list that I've got here. I'm going to check off if I got everything that's in a J case. So we'll go through the J case, or the supposed J case, and see if I got a sealed case. And maybe I'll get lucky and even get myself a super treasure hunt, but it's probably not likely, let's face it. Unfortunately, I've already got a lot of the cars that are in this one, so a lot of these are going to end up in a doubles box, and I've got to figure out what to do with them. Maybe I'll give them away later, I don't know. But for now, let's open up this box and see if it's a true J case. Alright, so here's our case, J case, long card, and we're going to get it open and see what's in here. Okay, let's open it up. Alright, let's see what we've got here. Move this over this way a little. Alright, so I watched the Lamley video for this, and this looks so far so good. So we have a C6 Corvette. Baja Bison's there. 63 Studebaker. Anyway, that was what was in Lamley's video. King Cuda, Pagani Zonda R, 1966 Triumph Tiger 100. Birthday Burner, Batman Arkham Knight, Batmobile, and Proper Chopper. Yeah. Later Crater, Rock and Railer, Honda Super Cub Custom. I think this is all the correct case. 87 Dodge D100, GMC Hummer EV, and the Mazda RX-7. All seems a little out of order compared to what Lamley had. Group C Fantasy, 64 Chevelle SS, and GMC Hummer. West Coast Flyer, Mazda MX-5 Miata, and Glory Chaser. This is starting to look like it's the wrong case. Doesn't look complete. That Glory Chaser I don't think is meant to be in there. The Greenwood Corvette, Hotweiler, and Speed Dozer. Yeah, I don't think this is J case at all. Mod Rod, Mailed It, and Mazda RX-3. Dodge Charger, West Coast Flyer, and another 64 Chevelle SS. I think I had that somewhere else. Donut Drifter, Speed Bump, and Custom 68 Camaro. Some of these are JKs. I'm kind of confused. T-Rex Destroyer, Wheelie Chair, and Total Disposal. Another MX-5, another Studebaker Champ, and it was a second Later Crater, I'm not sure, but Later Crater. Another King Cuda, another Dodge D100, and Mercedes-Benz Unimog. I don't think I've got that color Unimog. Another Mailed It, Roland Solo, and Hot Wheels Ultimate T-Rex Transporter. Definitely got those two Porsches already, but those do belong in this case. Two Porsche 904 Carrera GTSs. And is that a second Triumph Target 100? Bank card. 2010 Camaro SS, DeLorean Alpha 5, and a 57 Jeep FC. McLaren Solus GT, Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile, and Mazda RX-3. Well, there's the Pajero that does belong in JK, so I'm kind of confused about the list on Orange Track Diecast, but Pajero Evolution, McLaren P1, and Roland Solo. Didn't get the Super Treasure Hunt. Volvo Gasser, another Greenwood Corvette, and a Chevy Tahoe. Oh, look, another Mitsubishi Pajero Evolution. McLaren Solus GT, and a Desert Drifter. Oops. Road Bandit, Volvo P1800 Gasser, and a Duck and Roll. Another 57 Jeep FC, another Batman Arkham Asylum Batmobile, and another Mad Mike Drift Attack. Take that out of the way. And to finish it off, another Chevy Tahoe, but a Mercury Cougar Eliminator, and a Road Bandit. So I'm not kind of clear if this was a sealed J case, but looking through the list in front of me, I don't know. It wasn't what was in the Lamley video, so I don't know that this was sealed. So yeah, I don't know if it's worth buying a case from Dollar Tree. I might try another one. Now it's been a few months since I bought this one, and try again and see if I get the same scenario. But definitely got two Pajeros in there. That's kind of weird. I think there was only meant to be one Pajero in that case, but I got two, and definitely neither in the treasure hunt. So that's it. I'll take another look through the list, but I don't think that was a sealed case. Let me know if you looked at it too, if you thought it was a little bit of an unusual case. It doesn't seem to match the contents list on Orange Track Diecast, so I don't know, maybe I got ripped off. Maybe it wasn't real. Should I try another one? Should I try a different, maybe one of the other quantities and see if I get the green and golds or something like that? I don't know. Let me know. Let me know in the comments what you think I should do next. So, after looking at the Orange Track Diecast website, I realized that it said something there. It said the models and subsequent colors listed below are to be used as a guide only as to what could be included in the specified case code. Since all Hot Wheels cases are assortments, cases may contain some or all of the vehicles listed. Treasure hunts and super treasure hunts that are randomly inserted. Store exclusives are only going to be in the retailer's case. So maybe that was a sealed J case. Certainly had all the hallmarks of having the right vehicles for a sealed J case. So maybe it was good. It's hard to tell. I'm not an expert in this, but it was a good case. So maybe I'll try another one. Let me know. maybe I'll try 24 or 36 to see what they send me. But I don't think it's a complete fail from Dollar Tree to order a case. I think, though, you don't want it to come from the store. You don't want to pick it up from the store. I think getting it shipped directly to you is the key here. Because if it goes to the store, they're probably just going to throw 72 whatever vehicles into a case off the shelves that they've got. And in fact, some savvy employees may actually open one up and take the bits out that maybe they want, and then ship you 72 or less in some cases of whatever they find. So take that with a grain of salt, and yeah, let me know. Let me know if you think I should order another one and see what happens. Maybe I'll get lucky, unlucky, something.